everybody. Now we are here at the Hilton Gardens hotel room, and this is the room. Look, that is the bed, the messy bed. We are in this room for a week, starting yesterday evening. So we just enjoy and chill here. We have your TV, that one. I brought my water heater, and I was about to bring my whole house. But then, yesterday at my workplace, when I arrived, my co-workers tell me that I have this box. I did not order anything, but this guy ordered something. I don't know what it's in this box. So I brought it straight from there to here. And also he got this one. I don't know what is knocking inside. Okay, so this is what we will do. We will unbox this one. I will do this first. I don't know what he ordered. Look at this.
You don't know.
What, gasoline?
Ask him what it is.
Oh my goodness, that's it. What is it? Zippo Premium Lighter Fluid. Okay. Lighter fluid. This is what he ordered. That's all. It's kind of gasoline.
This is liquid petrol only for Zippo lighters.
So that is for lighter, for his smoking mouth. That's it.
I tried to find this here, but we couldn't find it
It's
anywhere.
very flammable. But
It's only for Zippo lighters.
they just pack it like that. Done for the first box. And now let's start with it. So he addressed this to me, to my workplace, and it is coming from Brampton, Ontario. So this is it, and it is delivered through FedEx. So we will try. Let's see. So what do you think? Let's open this.
She knows.
Without further ado, I can open it. She knows. She just, this guy, when you know this guy beside me, if he is sitting in front of the computer, his fingers will become busy, you know. So let's try what is inside. And I think I know already what is inside, because that is always what it. So here. So what do you think before I open this one? You know already also what is inside. Just like what is in you know. So yes, what is in your mind is just the same of what I am thinking right now. You know. So this is it. First I have the papers, then I have another paper, and the same. It is not stated how much, and under it is also paper. But you know, I have little boxes.
A little introduction, brief.
Brief only.
The Swatch, they gave the reason for this watch. The Swatch was given a contract by NASA to make watches and design watches for their astronaut in 1996 for Apollo 8. They have released this edition now, as they were not allowed by NASA to make it public because it belongs to them. The patent belongs to them. Now they have released it after the permission from NASA. And these are beautiful watches they made for their astronauts in Apollo 8. So it's beautiful, really beautiful.
Whatever it is, whatever is the reason, still it is a watch.
It's a beautiful collector's item. Beautiful.
Always watch.
Only
Okay,
Swatch.
this is Swatch. One is orange. Time is what you make of it.
It is what it is. And the same pattern what they
And-
need for the astronauts.
The other one is white. So we will become astronaut. We will
It's the
see.
same thing for public commercial use.
We will see what is the color of this.
Beautiful.
So much.
The color
We'll start with this one. Orange one. Look. The same face. The time is also the same. 1 up to 12. The same. No. Nothing is different on the color. What is different? What is different here is the see, this is orange and blue. So what is this? NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. So we will travel to space with this color combination. If we travel to space, you will wear this, but it's nice. Yeah. Okay, so the next one of this
Color combination.
just white, like an envelope, mailing envelope with blue and red. So this is it. This is what he ordered. So guys,
Who named it?
the other one is just the same. NASA Aeronautics. They are aeronautics, so maybe we will be going to space because he always ordered watch. This is last. No more watches. No more. Okay.
Old habits die hard. I am addicted to
No
watches.
more watches
I love watches.
done for the watches. Okay.
Okay.
So this is it. At the back like that. You know that Swatch. Swatch has always, the battery are always seen from outside, you see. So this is what he ordered. So the other one is this blue and white, and this one blue and red. Let's check. So this is it, guys. This is what I unboxed today. Anyway, I don't order, but I will just wear it just like this with NASA, and the other one is orange, just the same like the watches that you had before.
They are big and gold. Family B&B, big and gold.
This is a nice combination also. I just wear what is here, but sometimes like too many watches I will put in my arms and in my neck, on my legs. Anyway, the watch is here, so huy, smile in the camera. It's on video. Okay. Hi Zia, thank you so much Zia for this. Thank you so much Zia for this. Look, it's nice watch.
Thank you. You're welcome.
So it's nice, and that's
No
what
doubt,
I
yeah.
learned today. So that's it. So I want to say thank you for watching me. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye everyone. Sorry. Thank you for watching my video, and shout out to my channel members, Cell Buddy and Cell Angels members, at sa lahat ng mga kachika ko dyan at mga ka-breaks ko sa tawa-tawa dyan sa live stream ko. Thank you for those who are my avid, pasaway group. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you. Have a safe day everyone. From here in our room of 1101 room of Paris. No, that is not Paris. Hilton Gardens. This is not Paris Hilton.
Saskatoon Hilton Garden.
Hilton Gardens of Saskatoon. I would like to say thank you everyone for watching, and have a safe day again. Bye bye.
Stay safe.